So that's my pet panda, but he died today. I hope I miss him so much. Please, who's ever watching, please subscribe for my support. God bless you, my little dog. Please, you have a dog that just died too. I'm sorry for that. Tutu Panda. Panda, hello. This is my pet panda. His birthday is January 13, and he has a brother. His name was Coco, but he passed away. Hey, Panda, what are you doing? Okay. Is she cute? Is she cute? Guys, is she cute? Mama naman niya, ang ginawa niya ay inagaw yung pagkain. Kaawa naman siya. Konti lang yata ang